Rob Wilson, SouthTampaTeardowns.com, doing Mayor's Neighborhood University. I'm with Bob McDonaugh with the city, and one of the things that he's been working on and the city's been working on are some changes in the Tree Ordinance to really help some homeowners that have owned their properties a long time. And he shared that today, and I wanted him to kind of share a quick little synopsis of what the city's working on in terms of that and all the different things that they're considering in terms of the tree ordinance.
I think the key word is balance. You know, we have certain segments of the community that like to take out every tree to make development easier. We have certain segments of the community that would like to save every tree. And what we're trying to do is a balance. We recognize the value of the canopy that we have. It provides some filtration for our air. It also prevents stormwater issues. So there is some real value to it. We also recognize that there are a lot of people who've trapped a lot of value in their land. They had a smaller home, they planted trees 40, 50 years ago, and now it's time for them to move on. Maybe they want to go into a retirement place, sell their property, but they need the ability to redevelop it. So what we're looking at is balancing our tree code to allow people to redevelop these properties in a fashion that makes sense.
Gotcha. And then, and you said that it's been 4 years we've been working on this as a city. When do you think those changes are going to be finalized and completed?
We should be going to City Council with the final product any day now.
Oh, wow.
Yes. We started out with a scientific study. We did a tree canopy study. We did an update of that. We hired foresters actually to look at particularly what species of tree makes the most sense for our community. And in different parts of the city, different trees make sense. And so that is part of actually our counseling in the building department, is suggesting certain kinds of trees for certain homes in certain places. So this should be coming up relatively soon with City Council.
Very good, very good. And the tree ordinance, this could really have a dramatic impact on property values for a lot of the homeowners that we talk to. So this is why we're here at Mayor's Neighborhood University, to learn from folks like Mr. McDonaugh and share that information with you at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.